Hello everyone, this is your chef Rahul, and welcome to another video of No Flame Cooking. Today, we're going to make some shrimp quesadillas. This video is split into two parts. First, we will make the guacamole mix. Then, we will cook the actual quesadilla. So for the first part, you'll need 2 avocados, 1 tomato sliced in half, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1/4 of a lemon, half an onion, handful of cilantro, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So using a vegetable dicer, take each half of an onion at a time, face side down, and crush it. Do the same for each half of the tomato. Then, placing the sharp end of the knife on the avocado seed, hit the blade so that the blade goes inside the seed. Then, turn the seed until it comes out. Using a spoon, scoop out the avocado flesh from the avocado skin and throw the skin away. Then squeeze the juice out of the lemon and make sure that the lemon has no seeds. Then add a teaspoon of salt and the tomato onion mixture along with diced jalapeno and cilantro. So now, mix all the contents evenly in the bowl. First start by crushing the avocado, then stir using the folding method as outlined in the previous videos. This is your final product for part 1. Now, let's go to part 2, the quesadilla. So you'll need 4 tortillas, some shrimps, another handful of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, 3/4 cup of shredded Mexican cheese, a teaspoon of butter, and some sour cream. So add 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning to the shrimp, then mix them up. Then add 1 teaspoon of butter and mix again. So heat up the griddle and take the shrimps along with 3 skewers. Add shrimps to the skewers. I use the same technique to make the skewers from a couple videos back, where I joined 2 skewers together with tape to make it longer, such that your hand would be farther from the grill. When you add the shrimps to the skewers, heat each side for 3 minutes. Then, place the tortillas on the griddle as well. So your 3 minutes might be done by now, so go ahead and flip your shrimps over. Once the shrimp is done cooking, go ahead and take the shrimps out and keep them on a separate plate. We will add some cheese and cilantro to half of the tortilla. Then we'll go ahead and add our shrimp. Then fold the quesadillas and cook each side for 3 minutes. As each side is cooking, add butter or oil. This way, it will be able to cook easier on the grill. As a side note, I used the Vidalia Chop Wizard to dice the tomatoes and onions. Though you might have to slice it in half initially, it's a safe and effective way to dice your vegetables. If you want now, go ahead and cut each quesadilla into half. Then take a plate and put the 4 slices on there. Then, next to them, add a spoonful each of your guacamole and sour cream. And there you go! Now you have your final product of shrimp quesadilla along with guacamole and sour cream. Go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.